Are you ready to fly? Genesis 37. Jesus, you are so beautiful. You cannot lose. I just got this revelation. It's like a light that went on. You don't have the propensity inside of you. You don't have the ability inside of you to lose. It's just impossible. It's just impossible. Even though it looks at times that you are losing, it's impossible for you to lose. You see, the one that you serve and the one who is your Father is not a loser. And the Bible declares that whosoever believes in him will become sons of him. Check this. Whoever believes in him will be called his sons. And what I understand, that if I have a son, the same DNA that I have, my son has. You understand me? So if I never had cancer in my life and I have a natural son, then the possibility that my son will have cancer and get cancer is like 1 out of a billion, because the father did not have cancer. Henceforth the son is not gonna have cancer. Now, when I got born again, I changed fathers. When you got born again, you changed fathers. You are no more called the son of Louis or the son of Yanni or the son of Henry. No. Since the day that you got born again, you are now called the Son of God. Hey, hey, it's a